with the question of what is the best that we could offer to the rest of the world. Michelle Marquez Lee once said that the Philippines is home to very beautiful natural resources, from the beaches, the mountains. But I firmly believe that the best natural resource that the Philippines has is us Filipinos. We are the true heart and soul of the Philippines. With the warm smiles, and we are the reason why the world keeps coming back to us. No matter where the universe takes me, I will always be proud to call Philippines my home, and no matter what happens, I will always be proud to call myself Pinoy.